Hello and welcome, Adam from Balancing Touch, and today I'm going to show you how to mount one of my charts that you get. So you're probably going to have something like this show up in the mail. Of course there's going to be postage on it and all that, but you're going to get a mailing too. And out pops a chart like this. And there's a little warning on it that says do not laminate, because if you do laminate this chart, it's printed on something called Dieback. You will actually melt it, and all these beautiful colors that you see here will run, and you'll basically destroy your chart. So how do we mount this thing? Well, I think one of the best ways, and what looks really good, is mounting it on a piece of foam core. So I'm going to show you that. I'll show you the finished product. This is what it looks like. Okay, so it's on this nice piece of foam core. And there we go. Nice and flat. Looks really great. And it's not too hard to do. So what do you need? Basically, nice to have a long ruler, but if you don't, that's fine. A nice straight board will work. You're also going to need a blade, some adhesive spray, lots of newspaper, and the foam core, which you can pick up at your local art store or anything like that. And this one is bigger than the chart, because the chart is 24 inches by 36 inches. This one is 32 by 40, so a lot. We're going to end up cutting off some of it after we're done with it. So I'll show you how to do that. And these guys here, you can use, people use bricks or something heavy just to hold it down. You'll see in a moment how I use those, but I had 2 cans of paint that were not totally full, but they have some nice weight to it, so that way when I'm mounting it, it won't move around. First thing you want to do is make sure that it's clean, and I find the best way is to use your hands, because your hands are very sensitive and you can feel any type of little piece of dust or anything like that. Okay, and once that's done, we are going to grab the poster we're going to be putting on. Simply roll it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the bottom of this chart, because I'm going to cut this after. Once you have it lined up here, what I'm going to do is actually put some weights down. So it's really good to have a bunch of newspaper close by. Okay, so I'm just going to triple check here. That's good there. And all I'm going to use for weights are little cans of paint, because they seem to work good. So again, just checking to make sure that it's all nice and straight before I totally commit to this. Yeah, it looks good. I'm going to put this down here. Now what I'm going to do is actually, we're going to spray this side first. So I'm going to lift this up over top. I'm going to go from the center and go out and out. I'm going to put a little on here too. Open the door as well. You want to be in a nice ventilated area. Then I'm just going to gently roll this down. And again, making sure that it's nicely. And I'm going to grab some new newspaper here. I'm going to grab some new newspaper. That way, when I fold it back, we don't have any type of glue or anything going on the front of this when I fold it back the other way. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to take these cans and move them over here this time. I'm going to remove these, because these have a little bit of glue on them now. Okay, now you just pull up the other side, and you do basically the reverse. So let's see how far it's going to go. Okay, and then that lets me know where it has been glued already. So that's nice and easy. So again, I'm going to start from the bottom, going from the inside to the out, or from the center outwards. At least that's what I'm going to do here. It's nice and even. And I'm just going to hit the bottom just because. Okay, and then again, the same that we did with the other side. Just gently from the center go out. And then I'm going really light here. You can't really tell how hard I'm pushing, but I'm going really light here. And then I apply a bit more pressure. Again, make sure your hands are nice and clean. Edges are lining up good. Make sure that the edges are good. I can remove this because it's all glued already. Take this off. And you want to just take your time with this. Make sure it's really perfect. I'm also going to slide it off the edge of this table so that I don't cut the top of the table when I go through. That's done. Come around to the the other side, again making sure that it's over top. Just lining it up. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. And then now you can, you know, mount it on a wall or, you know, take it with you. It's a lot easier. Or what you can even do now is you can mount this actually into a frame.